So this is just a quick follow-on video to show you what it's like when we have proper two-way integration, and to also show you what the remote access is like and what the speed of it's like. So this is a real-life system installed in a large house in London. I'm operating this and filming this up from our Northumberland office. So we're 300 miles away, and I'll show you what it's like for us to log in, for it to travel all that distance and to connect up. So press the connect button there and our system's connected up. It's essentially the same as the previous system, apart from we've got door entry installed on there, photos, and we've also got a help thing which enables the client to send us a message automatically with a button press. It sends us an email and it sends us system information and log files, so we're able to assist them. But the main thing on here which I wanted to demonstrate was the two-way integration. So if we go to climate on here, these are KNX thermostats installed, and this is what our Nico system will look like when we've got two-way integration now. So you can see on the bottom here, got each of the floors of the house, and then in each floor it displays the thermostats which are on that floor. When it's green, it means it's at temperature. That green changes to red when it's heating, and it changes to blue when it's cooling. Come on to here, we can see that the set point's 18 degrees. It's currently in standby mode, and we can raise and lower that set point with the arrows here. We can set a schedule for what mode it's going to come on at any particular time. And we can also view a graph of the history where we can see the actual room temperature, see the set point changes, the periods of heating and the outside temperature. If we look at lighting now, again on this we've got feedback coming in. So if for instance we come to this party room which is full of lots of lighting circuits, on the left hand side we have dimming sliders, so we can slide up, it retains the status of the light, it illuminates to let us know that it's on and that it's blue. We can turn that off there. We also have switch lights, and as you can see it's tracking the status as we go along. These pages are completely customizable in the layout in terms of how they appear. So this was how this particular client wanted it to appear. But you can see that each room can have a very different appearance. Similarly, we can make it appear differently on touch screens as to how it appears on the iPad, how it appears on the iPhone, and how it appears on the handheld remote controls. So that's essentially the system. One other thing which I'll show you on here is on this home screen we have two buttons, a viewings and an away, and this is from when the property was being marketed. The press of one of those buttons will turn on the TVs, turn on the lights and get it all ready for anybody coming round to view, and away will turn everything off. And obviously we can program that to have any sort of feature or function in the future when the client takes up full-time residence in this house. That will presumably become a home and away button, which would hope to be able to activate the eco scene moods, etc.